So how do you open OneDrive files on your Android phone? Let me talk about it and explain it. If it's your first time on a Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so the OneDrive files are best accessed through the official OneDrive app. So try to look it up on your device. And if you don't have it, just look it up through the Play Store and download it for free on your device. And once you open it up for the first time, it's going to ask you to sign in for the account. So you need to have a Microsoft account. You cannot really sign in with a different client. It has to be a Microsoft one. So if you don't have one, just create a new account. But if you have some files stored, then you definitely need or definitely have one already. So just sign in with your existing account, and once you go through all of this, you'll be greeted with the app's UI. So the app is split into two categories, into the files and photos. So photos are just photos and videos, and files are every other file type, which includes documents, audio files, or anything else. And it kind of depends on what the file is, but once you see them all, you can just tap on them to open it, right? So if it's something simple like a photo or a video, you can open it and play it directly inside of the OneDrive app, right? So it's something very simple. But if it's something a little bit more concrete or some kind of file which only works through a certain application, if you need to open that file, instead of just tapping on it, like click on the three dots next to it and use the share tool. So you will have the ability to share it to some kind of application which is going to support it. So you can see all of the apps are going to be available in here and try to use it in that application. For example, when I have the OneNote document, I can click on share and open it through the OneNote. So that's something which I can definitely do. And yeah, that is the way in which I would open my specific file in the OneDrive. So yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions below. If you have some very specific questions which you are kind of like wondering about, let me know about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.